Alright, so here we go, changing the glow plugs. You can get about 10 of these for $24.99 on eBay, so they're about $2.50 each. I just got a cheaper brand. But anyway, so here we go. As you can see, I'm getting the glow plug number 3, and when I was doing... Okay, as we move along, the first thing we want to do is loosen the outer 8mm nut that is holding the wire on the glow plug. And as I was doing that, the whole wire was moving, as you can see. So now what I've done is I put a screwdriver in there right through the, I guess, third and fourth injection line, and that is holding the wire, the glow plug wire, and then I'm able to just use my 8mm and I'm able to loosen the nut. So after I loosen that nut, there is the glow plug itself is, I believe, 12mm, and I'll loosen that and take that glow plug out. Alright, as we carry on, so now we got a 12mm combination wrench over there, and I'm using this kind of to pull it down. And just keep turning it. So I go to there, then I sneak under here, and then I use the leverage to push it down even more, and then I get it in there again, push it down even more. It's a slow process. I'm sure you have better tools to make it less time consuming, but that is what we're doing right now, and we're taking that glow plug out. It's a 12mm. Alright, after 150 turns, looks like I got it. I've actually put the bolt in there, stuck my hand through here, and I've turned it like that. And it just keeps turning. I'm hoping it's not stuck on something, but I think it's coming.